Hello and welcome. Thank you for joining us today. Today video topic is how to create a profile. Let's go laptop screen, then open Civil 3D. This is a surface drawing. Click alignment and check name. Profile alignment. This is a wall. MSC wall. Name MSC wall. Click surface profile. Then add new uh, survey, new surface, old surface added, then OK. Sorry again. Click alignment, surface profile, then add new surface, old surface, then draw in profile. Next, click next, next, then click next, create a profile view, then click here. Finally, profile is created. Check this is a created. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and share and follow. See you in the next video. Thank you.